Hey guys, you're talking about importing or downloading or reusing your entire Twitter or X profile data, right? Like your tweet, media, DMs, followers, analytics, the whole archive. Right. Here's the full unfiltered guide on how to do it properly. No shady tools, no data loss, no confusion. Step 1. What full Twitter data means. When you export your data, your profile data from Twitter, you'll get all your tweets and replies, media files, DMs, followers and following lists, login history and devices, account activity and settings. It comes as a zip file you can open on your computer. Step 2. Request your archive from Twitter officially. Open Twitter or X. Hit your profile icon at the top left. Okay. Hit settings and privacy. Press your account and hit download archive or download an archive of your data. You'll be asked to verify your identity, password, code, face ID, etc. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. Right? Gonna wait. Let me close this. Yeah, download the archive. Alright. And they're gonna send a code to my email, and I'm gonna enter that verification code and tap request archive. That's it. Now you wait. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours for Twitter to prepare the data. They will send notification and an email when your archive is ready. Okay. Step 3. Download your data. Once you get the alert, go back to the settings, your account, and download archive of your data. Tab download archive and you will receive a zip file usually named something like Twitter _ username _ 2025 _ 10 _ 26, like the day, the month, and the year. And make sure to save it somewhere safe in your computer and open that data archive. Right inside you will find folder right here in your files. If you're using iPhone, you're gonna see right here, somewhere right here in the document, right, somewhere right here, your data. You file a file called your archive HTML. Open your archive HTML in your web browser or here. It's like private offline version of your Twitter. You can browse your tweets, search through old posts, view DMs and media, see account stats and logs, and you can import or reuse your data elsewhere, right, depending on what you want to do with the data. Right, just keep it offline if you want to back up or use it for analysis. Keep it offline or upload to your personal cloud storage. You can also open JS or CSV files inside the archive in Excel or Notion to analyze tweet performance. You can import into another platforms like Threads or Mastodon, etc. Right now, Twitter doesn't have official cross-platform import tools, but some apps like Mastodon Importer or FeedFinder can use your following lists file to follow the same people elsewhere. Still, this only uses public data, nothing private. Content reuse. You can use the tweet text or media to republish old posts on your blog or other social media. Just make sure you respect other users' right, like if you quoted or retweeted someone. Important note. The download link expires after a few days, so back it up quickly. Only the account owner can request the archive, not third-party access. Don't upload your zip file anywhere unless you trust the service. It contains personal DMs and sensitive data. You can't import this back into Twitter. It's for viewing, analysis, or transfer purposes. Right? So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.